Did you know that Amazon's first ever sale was not a gadget? Rather, it was a humble item, a book, and that too on fluid concepts and creative analogies. Strange, no? Now look where we are today, scrolling through an endless sea of futuristic gadgets. So if you're ready to elevate your tech game, let's embark on this journey through the coolest gizmos Amazon has to offer. Number 1. Smart Plant Monitor. Check out the Luster Leaf Digital Moisture Meter, the ultimate plant sidekick. With its easy-to-read digital display, you'll know exactly when your leafy pals need a drink. Instantly measure moisture levels to keep your green babies thriving. Plus, it comes with a printed plant list, making it a must-have for any plant parent. From Rapid to soil testing pros and proudly designed in the USA, say goodbye to wilting woes. Number 2. LED Smart Monitor with Makeup Lights. Tempered glass LED bathroom mirror, your ultimate glam station upgrade. With stepless brightness adjustment from daylight to super bright, get that flawless makeup or selfie lighting on point. Plus, the smart memory feature remembers your preferred brightness, saving you precious time. Say goodbye to foggy mirror frustrations with its specific anti-fog function, perfect for steamy bathroom sessions. ETL certified for safety and easy to install, this mirror is a must-have for any modern bathroom makeover. Number 3. Digital Measure. Favor Laser Measure, your go-to tool for precision measurements. With lightning-fast measurement within 0.3 seconds and up to 1/16 inch accuracy at 165 feet, this bad boy gets the job done right. Get multiple functions including area, distance, volume, and more, all displayed on a clear 2-inch LCD with backlit text. Plus, with 99 groups of data storage and a sturdy waterproof design, it's a must-have for any construction or DIY project. Number 4. Self-Cleaning Water Bottle. Introducing the Philips Go Zero Smart Water Bottle, a hydration superhero. With UVC LED technology, it disinfects and eliminates odors for fresh-tasting water. The rechargeable battery keeps it clean for up to 30 days, while its vacuum-insulated stainless steel body keeps drinks hot for 12 hours or cold for 24. Plus, it's BPA-free and eco-friendly, reducing your carbon footprint. So stay hydrated and healthy with every sip. Number 5. Smart Button. The Wemo Stage Scene Controller, your Apple HomeKit companion for seamless smart home control. With Thread technology for fast, reliable connections and support for Bluetooth, it's the ultimate multi-device controller. Setup is a breeze with Apple HomeKit and NFC. Just tap your iPhone and start controlling your smart home in seconds. Mount it on a light switch faceplate or use it as a wireless remote for easy installation. Simplify your smart home with Wemo. Number 6. Robotic Programming Ball. Meet Sphero Bolt, the ultimate robot ball that's more than just a toy. Dive into endless creativity and learning opportunities with its programmable features and hands-on activities. Packed with advanced sensors and an eye-catching LED matrix, Bolt paves the way for the next generation of coders. Whether you're drawing, coding, or playing games, Bolt makes STEM learning at home a blast. Inspire the creators of tomorrow with Sphero Bolt and unlock your imagination. Number 7. Pet Camera. The EC70 Mini Camera, your ultimate home security solution. With crystal clear 1080p Full HD video, you'll have eyes on your home from anywhere. Swipe your phone to pan and tilt in real time for the perfect view. Plus, get alerts on your smartphone for motion or sound detection day or night. Store footage locally or in the AWS cloud for peace of mind. With voice control and smart actions, safeguarding your home has never been easier. Hold up, Tech Fam! Before we dive deeper into this gadget galore, I've got a challenge for you. Take a wild guess. Which of these gadgets do you think will blow your mind the most? Drop your predictions in the comments below and let's see if you can outsmart the Tech Genie. Now back to the countdown. We've got some seriously jaw-dropping gadgets to unveil. Number 8. 3D Laser Printer. Introducing the Moose Full Aluminum 3D Printer, your ticket to the world of endless creativity. With its industrial-grade body and precision technology, get ready for ultra-stable and high-precision prints down to 0.02 millimeters. Easy assembly in just 10 minutes means you'll be printing in no time, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned maker. Plus, with support for multiple materials and CNC carving and laser engraving capabilities, the possibilities are endless. Number 9. Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Presenting the Shark Robot Vacuum, your home's ultimate dirt-busting ally. With powerful suction and matrix clean navigation, no mess stands a chance. Its self-emptying base and true HEPA filtration keep your home clean and allergen-free for up to 60 days. Perfect for pet owners, it's voice-controlled, hands-free, and runs up to 120 minutes. Cleaning has never been easier or more efficient. Number 10. Phone Charger Lantern. Say hello to the 360-degree camping lantern, a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts. With high-output LEDs, it illuminates up to 60 feet, perfect for camping or power outages. Enjoy up to 200 hours of light on 6D batteries and rest easy with its impact and water-resistant design. Stay connected with the integrated USB charging port, ideal for emergencies. Plus, 50% of proceeds support Water4, providing clean water to those in need. Number 11. Smart Sprinkler Controller. Say goodbye to watering worries with Rachio, the ultimate smart watering solution for your yard. Tailored to your landscape's needs, it ensures the perfect amount of water every time, saving you money and keeping your yard looking lush. With no monthly fees, it's a hassle-free investment. Plus, with exclusive weather intelligence, it automatically adjusts to skip unnecessary watering. Control it all from your phone with the easy-to-use app and enjoy fast DIY installation in under 30 minutes. Number 12. Brain Sensing Headband. Meet Muse 2, the ultimate personal meditation coach to elevate your mindfulness game. Harnessing EEG technology, it offers real-time feedback, guiding you to a state of calmness with soothing audio cues. Simply wear the headband, connect to the app via Bluetooth, and immerse yourself in a serene meditation experience. Track your progress with Calm scores, enhancing your practice over time. Backed by research and trusted by neuroscience experts worldwide, Muse ensures a safe and credible meditation journey. Number 13. Wireless Earbuds. From Hi-Fi, your ultimate audio companion. With aptX coating and composite diaphragm technology, enjoy rich, clear sound across all frequencies. Enhanced bass performance thanks to refined 13mm drivers and bass tubes delivers powerful lows. Stay connected with dual CVC 8.0 noise-canceling microphones for crystal clear calls. With a total playtime of 28 hours and one-step pairing, these earbuds redefine convenience and quality in wireless audio. Number 14. Personal Water Filter. Say hello to the Peak Series Water Filter, a powerhouse in purification. Protecting against 99.9% of bacteria, 99.9% of parasites, and microplastics, it ensures water safety wherever you roam. Enhanced microfilter performance tackles sand and silt while maintaining optimal flow. Ultra compact and durable, it's built tough for any adventure. Highly versatile, use it as a bottle, straw, or connect to other Peak Series systems. Hydration has never been easier. Number 15. White Noise Sound Machine. Meet the Evo Sound Machine, a game changer in noise making. Block out distractions for better sleep, focus, and relaxation. With 22 non-looping sounds from fan noises to ocean surf, create your perfect ambiance. Designed in the USA, backed by top-notch customer care and a 1-year warranty, rest assured you're in good hands. Easy-to-use buttons and optimal timer make it a breeze to customize your experience. Get ready to elevate your environment with Evo. Alright, Tech Tribe, we've reached the end of our gadget journey, but the fun doesn't stop here. If you've got a tech-loving friend or family member who'd geek out over these gadgets as much as we did, why not share this video with them? Hit that share button and spread the tech love far and wide. And don't forget to keep an eye out for our next tech adventure. We'll catch you on the flip side.